Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use gear ratios to increase the power of your claw. So let's look at the gears that we use within the SumoBot to make the claw move. The smallest one has 12 teeth. The middle one has 20 teeth, and the largest one has 36 teeth. When you put two gears together in a gear train, you can calculate the gear ratio. The gear that's being turned by the motor, in this case, the one with the smallest number of teeth, 12, is used to turn the gear with 20 teeth that is then attached to the claw. The gear ratio of this gear train is 20 divided by 12, which equals 5/3, or 1.66. So you're upshifting the gear. I'm now going to use this gear train claw system to lift this SumoBot with a large book on top of it. So you can see that this book and SumoBot is not significantly lifted by this gear ratio claw system. Now I'm going to shift the gear ratio. The motor is still going to use the 12 teeth gear, but the claw is now using the 36 teeth gear. 36 divided by 12 gives you a gear ratio of 3, so I'm going up from 1.6 to 3 for my gear ratio. This will make the claw more powerful. I'm now using this 3 gear ratio claw system in order to lift the book and the SumoBot. Let's see what happens. The claw is able to lift both the book and the SumoBot a lot better than the 1.6 gear ratio. You can keep increasing the gear ratio by just adding more gears. This gear train has the motor attached to a 12 teeth gear. That 12 teeth gear is turning the 36 teeth gear. That 36 teeth gear is turning an axle, which is also attached to a new 12 teeth gear, which is turning a 20 teeth gear, which is then turning the claw. Calculating the overall gear ratio is relatively simple. The first gear ratio from the motor to the first axle is 3. 36 divided by 12. The second gear ratio is of the axle, which now has a 12 teeth gear, and the claw, which has a 20 teeth gear. That is 1.66. The overall total gear ratio is 3 times 1.66 equals 5. This claw is even stronger. With a gear ratio of 5, it can now lift both the SumoBot and the book with ease. The moral of the story is if you want to lift very heavy robots and flip them with your SumoBot, you need to use gear ratios to increase the power of your motor. Thank you very much.